Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of mindful woodworking design ideas to transform your home with peaceful, eco-friendly wooden decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Mindful woodworking, at its heart, is not just about crafting objects out of wood, but about cultivating a deeper relationship with the materials, the process, and the spaces in which the final pieces live. When we speak of mindful woodworking in the context of creating peaceful decor for the home, we are talking about a practice that acknowledges how every curve, grain, and imperfection in the wood holds the potential to transform not only a room, but also the energy of those who inhabit it. Reclaimed wood, in particular, plays a central role in this movement because it embodies both sustainability and story. Every plank carries with it traces of history, wear, and resilience. When shaped into functional furniture or delicate decorative accents, reclaimed wood introduces authenticity into the home, an authenticity that mass-produced items can never truly replicate. By embracing the natural marks, knots, and irregularities of timber, mindful woodworking allows makers to infuse warmth and character into pieces that are as lasting as they are meaningful. A table built from salvaged boards is not merely a surface for meals, but a gathering place infused with heritage. A reclaimed wooden frame around a mirror is not simply decorative, but reflective of resourcefulness and care. Through such mindful crafting, woodworkers create decor that grounds a home, transforming it into a sanctuary of both beauty and peace. In an age of constant noise, speed, and disposable goods, mindful woodworking offers a way back to slowness and intentionality, reminding us that making something with our hands connects us more deeply to ourselves and our environment. For the maker, the process itself is a meditation. Measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing become acts of focus and calm, far removed from the distractions of screens and deadlines. The tactile experience of working with reclaimed wood, feeling its textures and unveiling its hidden beauty with each stroke of sandpaper, fosters a profound appreciation for what might have otherwise been discarded. For the homeowner, bringing these finished pieces into a living space infuses the environment with a similar energy of calmness and reflection. A reclaimed wooden bench in an entryway, for example, does more than provide seating. It sets a tone of welcome and groundedness, inviting residents and guests alike to pause and feel rooted. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. A handcrafted lamp base, with its organic curves and visible grain, does more than hold a bulb. It radiates warmth both literally and emotionally, casting light in ways that soften the mood of a room. These pieces don't just fill spaces, they transform them into havens where peace is not only desired, but tangibly present. Mindful woodworking also thrives on the philosophy that longevity matters. Reclaimed wood decor, when crafted thoughtfully, carries a durability that ensures it will outlast fleeting design trends. This long-lasting value appeals to modern homeowners who crave more than just stylish interiors. They want investments that resonate with meaning, sustainability, and timeless appeal. Unlike factory-made furniture that wears quickly and ends up in landfills, a hand-built reclaimed wood table, shelf, or chair gains character over time. Each scratch or mark adds to its story, becoming part of the narrative of the household. In this way, mindful woodworking not only prevents waste, but also prevents the erasure of history, turning discarded lumber into heirlooms. For families, these objects often become more than decor. They evolve into treasures, reminders of shared meals, conversations, and milestones. This emotional resonance cannot be manufactured. It must be crafted with intention and care. What makes mindful woodworking even more compelling in today's eco-conscious world is its alignment with sustainability. Choosing reclaimed wood means reducing the demand for new lumber, preserving forests, and minimizing environmental impact. Every mindful woodcraft project is an act of ecological responsibility, proving that style and sustainability can coexist. Homeowners increasingly recognize that their decor choices are statements of values as much as aesthetics, and choosing wooden crafts made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced timber allows them to embody eco-friendly living without sacrificing beauty. A reclaimed wood wall panel, for instance, does more than enhance the visual warmth of a room. It tells a story of renewal, conservation, and mindful living. In an era where many are striving to live with less waste and more purpose, these pieces stand as quiet but powerful affirmations of those goals. Equally significant is how mindful woodworking strengthens human connection between the maker and the material, between the craft and the user, and between individuals and the spaces they inhabit. In choosing decor that carries a visible mark of the hand, homeowners participate in a relationship of respect and gratitude for craft. They understand that what they own is not just an object, but a manifestation of care, patience, and vision. This connection elevates daily routines. Sitting at a reclaimed wooden desk to work, placing a book on a handmade shelf, or sipping tea at a handcrafted coffee table transforms these ordinary acts into moments of grounding and appreciation. It is in these subtle, everyday experiences that mindful woodworking proves its true value, not through grandeur or perfection, but through presence and authenticity. On a broader level, mindful woodworking invites us to rethink the relationship between commerce and creativity. While the craft itself brings peace to both maker and homeowner, it also presents opportunities for artisans to sustain themselves financially without compromising on authenticity or values. In a marketplace increasingly flooded with cheap, mass-produced decor, handmade wooden pieces stand apart. Their uniqueness, sustainability, and emotional depth make them not only desirable but also marketable. Buyers are drawn to the imperfections that reveal the hand of the maker, to the grain patterns that make each piece one of a kind, and to the knowledge that their purchase supports both small-scale craftsmanship and the environment. Thus, mindful woodworking becomes not only a practice of peace and sustainability, but also a viable avenue for income in today's value-driven economy. Ultimately, mindful woodworking and the use of reclaimed wood in crafting peaceful decor represent a philosophy of balance between function and beauty, tradition and innovation, sustainability and profitability. It reminds us that a home is not just a collection of walls and furniture, but a living, breathing space shaped by the stories and intentions we bring into it. By incorporating wooden pieces made with mindfulness, homeowners can cultivate environments that soothe the spirit, reflect authenticity, and stand resilient against the throwaway culture of the modern world. These pieces remind us daily that beauty can be found in imperfection, that meaning resides in the details, and that peace is crafted one mindful decision at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mindful woodworking design ideas to transform your home with peaceful, eco-friendly wooden decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.